Hello guys! So today we're going to do an unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which was released 10th of May this year, and we finally received it. Alright. We have, of course, the SanDisk memory card, which allegedly has the speed of up to 160 megabytes per second for the read and 90 megabytes per second for write. So, yeah. So far, that's what they recommend for the drone. Now, this is it. I'm looking forward not to cut or destroy the package and opening the plastic. There you are. There's a tape somewhere. I'm gonna open it. Ooh, I like the sound of it. Oh, there it is. Look how tiny it is. Let me remove it from the pouch. Look how tiny it is. This is with the ultralight weight, of course, 249 grams. And with that, you can actually fly, of course, without a license. How do I extend this? I'll just extend it like this. Do I do it like extending it myself?
You can open the legs, yes.
Ah,
two
okay.
of them open on the sides and the other two rotate.
Ah, okay. Alright, that's nice. I like the... Ooh, perfect. And this one is rotate, right? Rotate. Alright, so finally we got the drone, which we have been waiting for from the day that we ordered, which was the day of the release of this model. Today's 28th. It took 11 plus days for them to deliver the drone. What else do we have here? Ooh, look at that. We have the DJI controller, the RC, the new one, which you don't need to put any tablet or mobile phone to connect. This already has a built-in app, DJI Fly app, as they call it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Since the charging station for the drone is still not here, which was included in the second package, the Fly More Combo Kit, we will do the charging through the cable, to plug it with the cable. So for that, we actually bought a separate charger. The charger that we got is up to 65 watts, and that is pretty much quick. We charged both the drone and the RC afterwards. And when the charging was done, we did all the configurations needed for both of them. From setting up the language, updating the systems, setting up the profile, until the configuration of the camera settings. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys soon on our first flight.